Hey, what's going on, everybody? Mike Hackley here, Mike's Hardscape Supply Center, 3825 Prince George Drive. Hey, we're standing out front here of the building. We've got our new scag windstorm in. This is the ride-on unit. It showcases a 37 horse Briggs & Stratton Vanguard, electric fuel injected, almost 7,000 CFM on this bad boy. Electronic rotate. You got auto and you got basically bump. It's got manual up, down. Features. Don't hold me to it, but I believe this is a 7-gallon fuel tank. Could be a 5, but I'm thinking it's a 7. We've got on and off for fuel. We've got the cat eye, the Tiger Eye advanced system here. Shows all the electronics and everything. So if we turn it on, basically it's fuel injected, so we just let it sit for a minute. Gotta stand on it. As you hear, this thing sounds like a big block motor. Gonna let that thing warm up for a minute. Paul, if you want to go around the front. Interested in a windstorm, as you see, it's got a safety feature on it. When I got off of it, cuts off. We're here at Mike's Hardscape Supply Center. This unit's going for $13,399. If you are a first responder, military, fireman, police, teacher, nurse, you get extra, I believe, 10-15% off of that. So let me know if you are one of those, and we can work up pricing on that. All this is financeable through Sheffield. But we have one here in stock. We've also got an Aerostorm over here. We'll be doing a video on that probably on Friday. But we have an Aerostorm here. We've got a windstorm here. And we've got a whole truckload of mowers coming. So get ready for Scag Nation to be here at Mike's Hardscape Supply Center. See y'all later.